Every mum has their thing. They're one thing that they can do over and over and over again. Mine is a mushroom gravy. Today, we are going to make it with pasta and chicken tenderloins. So let's go. Step one, we chop up a whole ton of mushrooms. This is going to be a pasta dish that will feed about 4 people.
Okay.
Or 2 very hungry ones. Voila! What we're doing first is we're going to get a blip of butter, olive oil, and we're going to cook the mushrooms first with some thyme. Now remember, mushrooms disappear when they cook. Look at that. Just keep giving them some love. Don't leave them unattended. All I need is love. So I'm just going to get a big bowl and put the mushrooms in there. Okay, I'm going to leave the moisture in those mushrooms as well because that helps make the sauce. Okay, we get butter. So I put some garlic in there, some more garlic, nice and thin, flour. Doesn't matter, don't panic if it goes lumpy. It's okay, the lumps are going to come out. Now, chicken stock. All right, I'm going to now put a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This is the bomb. You can see that that's just the base. Remember, we don't have our mushrooms in there yet. Yeah? Next, I'm just going to cook that pasta. I am using San Remo's Niddy traditional egg pasta, and it's Pappardelle because I want nice big thick bits, big ribbons of pasta. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd say 2 per person. 6, 7, 8. Now, how long does that take to cook, Alex?
10 to 12 minutes.
Yes. So we'll take it out at 10. Moving right along. Chicken tenderloins. I know you're all going to be saying, oh my God, how much butter is this woman using?
We said easy eats, not healthy eats.
Exactly. Right, bit of oil, bit of butter. And we are just going to really lightly fry, brown really, those tenderloins. And I am putting these in, these little babies. Salt, pepper, woohoo! Voila, voila, voila. Stir those mushrooms through. Look at that, Alex.
Looks pretty good.
It does, doesn't it? I feel like that pasta's ready. I'm going to put the pasta in there. Oh, look at that. Wow. Get our cooked chicken out. Oh, look at that. Some more thyme. Cheese. Oh, goodness me. Pepper. Here we go. Buon appetito.